Thinkific Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving into the Thinkific Affiliate Program, a fantastic opportunity to earn commissions by promoting one of the top platforms for creating and selling online courses. You can find the link to the program in the description below, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. Thinkific is specifically designed for course creators, entrepreneurs, and educators who want to build their own courses with ease, sell them, and manage their students. The platform is user-friendly, packed with customizable course creation tools, and provides features like membership sites, email marketing integrations, and even sales funnels to help you create and promote high-quality online learning experiences. The Thinkific Affiliate Program offers a competitive commission structure, providing affiliates with up to 30% recurring commissions for every new customer they refer. This means that once someone signs up using your affiliate link, you will continue to earn commissions for as long as they remain a paying customer. The program is perfect for anyone with an audience interested in online education, such as bloggers, digital marketers, or content creators. The affiliate dashboard is straightforward, offering real-time tracking so you can monitor your clicks, conversions, and commissions without any hassle. Plus, Thinkific offers marketing resources, including banners, links, and pre-written content to make it easier for you to promote the platform. One of the standout features of the Thinkific affiliate program is its long cookie duration of 45 days, giving you a generous window to earn commissions from any referrals. The payouts are monthly, which is convenient for affiliates looking to build a steady stream of income. The program is incredibly reliable, and the recurring nature of the commissions makes it a great long-term passive income opportunity. If you're in the online education space or have an audience looking to create and sell courses, the Thinkific affiliate program is definitely worth considering. It's a solid program with excellent features, a great commission structure, and reliable tracking. Be sure to check out the links in the description to start your affiliate journey today.